stay.
There you go, Hannah. Just keep it.
Well done, Colorado Avalanche. Welcome to the podium, our governor, the Honorable Jared Polis.
Hey, Colorado! We are a sports town. We got the Nuggets, the Rapids, the Broncos, the Rockies, the Mammoth, and yes, the Stanley Cup champions, Colorado Avalanche! And thank you, Avalanche, for inspiring us, for lifting us up, and for winning, 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 winning! What an amazing season, what an amazing playoff to cap it off. On behalf of the state of Colorado, we want to say, go Avs, go! Congratulations, Colorado Avalanche! Greetings, programs! My name is Connor McGahey. It is my pleasure to be here with you today and to bring you one person who helped make this all happen. It's one thing to reach the top as a player and do it more than once. He's one of the greatest players to ever play in the National Hockey League. But it's another thing, after your playing career is over, to have success. This team was in last place in 2016-17. But he did it. He has now brought 3 Stanley Cups to the Mile High City. Ladies and gentlemen, we're the architects of your 2022 Stanley Cup champion, Colorado Avalanche. I give you Executive Vice President and General Manager, Joe Sakic.
I don't know.
How about this team? 21 long damn years. Been a long time. But we're back. We're back. Round of applause for these guys again, their coaching staff. What a run. What do you think, everybody? First, I want to thank Governor Polis, Mayor Hancock for being here, and everybody that helped set up the parade, helped with all the details. And this is just amazing. Look at this crowd. What a parade. That's unbelievable. I love that you can tell the city of Denver has grown in the last 21 years. So many people. Anyways, first of all, we have other champions here that we want to congratulate. How about the Pee Wee team, Littleton Hawks, going to Quebec City and winning their championship. Denver East High School winning their national championship. Pioneers winning the 9th record-setting championship. Winning their championship. How about them?
Yeah, Toss Nation!
Congratulate all those guys. And this, let me tell you something. This team here, right from day one in training camp, as you probably could tell, the guys stayed pretty good all year, and we're focused on one mission, because you can tell right now that the celebration, they're not ready for it. They don't have the immunity to do this. But right from day one, coaching staff, players had one goal. It didn't matter what was happening, didn't matter the adversity, didn't matter the injuries we went through. They just cared about one thing, and that's to bring home a championship here to Denver. There's 2 people here that we couldn't have done this without. They gave us everything we needed to get done. They were right there from the rebuild, right behind us all the way, give us every resources we needed, and that's our ownership, Stan and Josh Kroenke. How about a round of applause applause for them because they're amazing. We couldn't be here without their support. Yeah, I'm not going to take too much time here, but all you fans, what an amazing, that ball arena was the most electric building in the entire year in the National Hockey League. And we thank you guys for that support. Not only ball arena, but you could see what it meant in this city, this state, with all the parties, all the watch parties. You guys are behind us all the way, and this cup is for everybody here that supported this team. Congratulations to everybody here. Every Colorado. Thank you. I'm off.
Thank you so much, Joe.